Hi, this is Roland, Barbecue Smoker Pros, Brasselton, Georgia, and we'd like to show you the Pit Boss. So if you'd like to be barbecuing for your neighborhood, your friends, the elderly, we're here to help. We have an awesome price going on these Pit Bosses with side storage. As you can see, they are full-size barbecue smoker trailers, full-size tires, upgraded rims, 2-inch ball, 2,000-pound jack, pinstriping, double smoker barrels. This one here has 2 pull-out shelves, reverse plate smokers, 2 pull-out shelves here, reverse plate smoker. On the side here is your rib box, everything box, your warmer with pull-out shelves, and on the back here is your firebox with a removable, as you can see here, tabletop charcoal firewood grate, metal vents on both sides, large hinges, and you get a firewood storage cooler, tent, chair, umbrella, rack, basket on the right side. You have your front drain, nice pinstriping, all DOT approved. Give us a call, a holler, a text, 770-866-2561. We have only 2 of them, and we're going to give you a great price so you can take care of your neighborhood, your church, your EMT, your firemen, your hospital people. Barbecue on.